All right, so I'm going to give you another example of how easy it is to use StatCrunch to perform ANOVA one-way table tests. This is now example number 12 from the book, from section 12.1, and it was studying the different amounts of arsenic found in a serving size. These are milligrams per serving size of arsenic from samples coming from the state of California, the states of Arkansas, California, and Texas. So I've got the descriptive stats here on the, and each of these, there were 12 items in the data set, and the average values all somewhat close. Those look a bit higher in Texas, though, and the standard deviation is all somewhat close as well. So here we will, it already shows the results from using Excel, and here on the sheet were the results from the StatPack tool pack that was an add-on to Excel. So now if I go back and I copy all the data and paste it into StatCrunch, it's really easy to perform an ANOVA test. You just go Stat, ANOVA, one way, and select the column where the data is, which is in var1 through var3. Again, I'll make this a little bit smaller and move it over so that you can see that the data I pasted from the Excel spreadsheet. And there are options you can pick here, but just simply computing by selecting the columns gives you the same mean, sample size, mean, and standard deviation we saw before for the descriptive stats, but the p-value is way less than a normal alpha value 0.05 or even 0.01. And the S-stat value is definitely greater than the F-critical value for the degrees of freedom of 2. So here we're definitely in the tail, and you can see why we would reject the null hypothesis in this instance.